Have you ever known?
Nti ng'okungubagira ebyo ebitaaliwo.
As you're mourning the things that never happened.
Ng'okogga olw'ebyo ebitaaliwo.
As you're growing lean because of the things that never happened.
Ng'okogga olwa history wo.
As you're growing thin because of your history.
Ebyafaayo byo.
Your history.
Abantu abamu ekitugaana ogenda mu maaso byafaayo.
Some of us, the things that hinder us to go in their history.
Oyina be wanyiigira.
There's some people you're angry at.
Abamu okulemwa kwammwe.
Others your failure.
Mu kwesigamya ku byafaayo.
You're seeking it on your history.
Oyina ensonga zo ze weekutteko.
You're holding on to some reasons.
Abamu be wanyiigira n'okufa baafa.
Some of the people you're annoyed at, some of them are dead.
Kituufu.
It's true.
Kituufu.
It is true.
Tewasoma.
You never went to school.
Kituufu.
It is true.
Tewasoma.
You never studied.
Nga n'ekyakulemesa okusoma.
Even the reason why
Taatawo
your father
teyakusomesa.
never took you to school.
Sente yazinywamu
He
waragi.
just took booze.
Yawasaamu bakazi.
Married women.
Taata yagaana okusomesa.
Your father refused to take you to school.
Muka kitaawo yabirinnyamu ekigere.
Your stepmother got inside.
Nanga ne sente zigenda kwoyo omwana omuwala.
The money that's going on that girl.
Omwana alina atunula nga alina olubuto. Olaba oleda alina n'olubuto ng'oteekamu sente zo.
She's already pregnant and you want to educate her.
So nga tewalina lubuto wali ogezze mawulu.
You're not just pregnant, but your time was just huge.
Naye yakuwaayiriza olubuto taatawo n'atasasula sente.
But he falsely accused you that you're pregnant and your father never put you to school.
Obulamu buno tukula nga tulina abantu abatutaddeko ebiwundu.
We grow up in this life when we're inflicted by wounds by some people.
Naye njagala nkuzeemu amaanyi.
But I want to encourage you.
Ate era njagala nkugambe.
And I want to tell you.
Toddiranga biwundu by'emabega.
Never get the past wounds
kubiyimirizaako lwaleero olwo.
to place your today onto them.
Era toddiranga kulemwa kwo.
Never get your failure
n'okwesigamya ku by'emabega.
and you put it on your past.
N'olulaga nti kati nze sina kye ndifuuka.
And you show I will never become anything.
Kubanga taata teyansomesa.
Because my father never
Bange
educated me.
ebyokusoma byagaana.
Because I failed at
N'olwekyo
education.
kati nnyina kubeera failure.
So I must be a failure.
Lekeraawo okunakuwalira ebyo ebiri mu byafaayo.
Stop becoming sorrowful at your things in the past.
Lekeraawo okwesigamya okulemwa kwo ng'okwesigamya ku ebyo ebyakuliko.
Stop putting your failure and your past on the things that happened to you.
Ekyo kye babuuza Samwiri.
That's what they're asking Samuel.
Nabbi mulamba, mulokole mulamba.
An entire prophet, an entire born again
Naye
Christian.
n'ebyawandiikibwa abyerabidde.
But they have forgotten even the scriptures.
N'omwoyo takyajja.
Even the spirit is not coming.
Samwiri munakuwavu muzibu.
Samuel is so sorrowful.
Ekimunakuwaza
The reason they are sorrowful
kiri mu byafaayo.
is in their past.
Katonda yakisazizaamu.
God has already cancelled it.
Tekikyabaddewo.
It's no longer happening.
Mu kifo ky'okutambula ng'agenda mu maaso.
Instead of going forward,
Atambula ali mabega.
you're regressing.
Asigadde mabega.
You're staying behind.
Anakuwalira ebitakyayinza
You're becoming
kuba.
sorrowful at what can
Nina
happen.
amawulire amalungi oli.
I have good news for you.
Naye ate gayinza okuba amabi.
And they can even be bad.
Ebyo by'onakuwalira
The things you're sorrowful at
bisobola okuba nga tebikyabaddewo.
may not happen at all.
Naye ye Katonda waali.
But God is available.
Wangi
Hello?
bawulire kye njogedde.
Did you hear what I said?
Ngambye
I said,
omusajja ataakuwasiza
the man who did not marry
oba
you,
ataakuwasa
or the one who didn't marry you,
ayinza n'okuba yawasa dda.
could have been married off now.
Gwe yawasa ayinza n'okuba ali lubuto.
Even the one they got married to might be pregnant.
Bali eri basanyufu bazibu.
They are so happy and overjoyed.
Eno gwe okogga.
You are growing lean.
Tokyalya mmere.
You're no longer feeding.
Tokyanywa.
You don't drink.
Tokyalowooza.
You don't think.
Oli mu kunakuwalira Sawulo.
You're becoming sorrowful at Saul.
Katonda gwe yagaana okuba kabakawo.
The one who, if God refused to be your king.
Waliwo abantu abamu Katonda baatunulira nga tagwanidde kubeera
There
kabakawo.
are some people that God considers not to be worthy to be your king.
N'agamba oyo mugaanye.
He said, I've refused him.
Gaanye okubeera kabaka w'obulamu
I've
bwo.
rejected him to be a king in your life.
Oluusi nga talina magenda.
And yet they don't have a destiny. Perhaps,
Oluusi ali confused.
perhaps they're confused.
Oluusi ali undecisive.
For some, they're undecisive.
Tasalawo.
They don't decide.
Ali awo ati.
They are there.
Taliiko magenda.
They don't have a destiny.
Katonda agamba oyo mugaanye.
And God says, I've rejected
Kati
him.
ate gwe n'omwekwatako.
And then you cling on.
Walina abantu abamu Katonda baagaana mu bulamu bwaffe.
There are some people God refuses in our lives.
Omwana omuwala omu yajja mu ofiisi yange siremwerabira.
One girl came into my office. I never-
Ng'akaaba amaziga ga
She
julujulu.
came crying.
Musumba nsabira.
Pastor, pray for me.
Musumba nsabira.
Pastor, pray for me.
Kasozi yammenya omutima.
Kasozi broke my heart.
Wali omulaba wano nga tuli naye.
You saw me with him.
ate ne sente zange yali nnyingi
Even took my money.
ne mugulira essimu eya smart
I bought him a smartphone.
ne chipisi wange ne chicken ng'amulyanga
He ate my chips and chicken.
namugulira ne suuti
I even bought him a suit.
naye musumba abantu bazibu
But people are hard.
kyokka bwe yamala yagenda ne sisitaali ye
After that, he went with Sister Harriet.
kati gagamba mbugu agenda okuwasa
And he's claiming he's going to marry her.
musumba naye lwaki toyingira mu bintu ebyo
Pastor, why don't you get involved in these things?
musumba lwaki tobiyingiramu
Why don't you come into these things?
musumba oyimirize embaga eyo
Pastor, stop that wedding.
ne mubuuza ye kasozi asabira wa
I said, where does Kasozi go to church from?
nagamba budde ng'omulaba niye anandagirira ekkanisa gy'asabira
She told me the church in which Kasozi was praying for.
ne mugamba lwaki togamba pasita weeri n'abiyingiramu
Why don't you tell the pastor to come in or involve himself?
n'agamba pasita alabika tafaayo
I said, Pastor doesn't seem to care.
ne mugamba kati nzoyagala nkole ki
I said, now what do you want me to do?
muyite
Summon him.
ne mugamba bwe namuyita ngenda mugamba
I
ntya
said, when I call him, what am I going to tell him?
ye gwe yali yagamba ki
What had he told you, by the way?
kasozi yali yagamba ki
What had Kasozi told you?
yali yagamba nti agenda kuwasa
Had he promised to marry you?
ne ŋŋuma kasozi ne muyita
Then I called Kasozi.
ne mugamba kasozi onagamba wamumenya omutima
Kasozi, she claims you broke her heart.
wamumenya omutima
You broke her heart.
n'agamba musumba nagumenya ntya
I said, Pastor, how did I break the heart?
ntya nti yagamba wamumenya omutima
She claims you broke her heart.
wamugamba omuwasa ate kati ogenda na Harriet
You promised to marry her and yet you're going with Harriet now.
n'agamba musumba we yayogera
I
amazima
said, Pastor, let her speak the truth. Oh,
oba ddala 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 namugambako okumuwasa
if really I ever promised to marry her,
kyogera oba nakigamba
say it to my face.
omuwala kyamulema okwogera
The girl failed to say it.
omwana aga naye kati musumba
He said, but Pastor, now,
omuntu bw'akusaba sente z'essimu n'ozimuwa
if somebody asks you for the money for the phone and you give it to them,
kati aba ategeeza ki
what do they mean?
n'akusaba chicken ne chips emirundi ogutali gumu egitali ebiri
Yes, you
chips ne chicken n'omugula
Chips
n'omumuwa
and chicken, not once, not twice. You
kati
buy.
yawa oba otegeera ki
What do you understand there really?
kati awo ye aba ategeeza ki
What do they mean?
essuti gye nakuwa nagikuwa nga nze nkuzaala
When I gave you the suit, was I your mother?
abantu beebuuliza ebibuuzo mu ofiisi awo
People ask questions there.
essuti yange gye
My suit I bought.
kati baneffe abasumba bane tulina ebizibu
Pastors, we have problems.
era mutusabiranga nnyo tulina ebizibu
Pray for us, please, because we get problems.
kubanga nanoonya engeri gye nkwata omusango guli
I found a way to handle that case.
nga sigutegeera
I didn't understand.
kituufu kasozi ebintu by'omuwala yabikola atya
It is true.
yabirya
Kasozi ate the girl's things.
chipusi yamulya
He ate the chips.
essuti yagyambala
He took the suit,
ne fooni yagitwala
even the smartphone.
naye kati abuuza ekibuuzo
Now he's asking,
yogera mbuulira lwe naggambako nti ŋŋenda kukuwasa
no, tell me when I promised to marry you.
ate omuwala kyamulema okwogera
And the girl failed to speak it out.
aga naye kati kati ebyo byonna wabinsaba ng'otegeeza
So,
ki
but when you're asking all that, what were you meaning?
kati oba kubanga gwe pasita wali okola otya
If you are the pastor, what were you going to do?
bintu byali byakuteebereza
I had to assume.
omuntu ng'agenda okulyako chipisiiwo ne chikeniwo
If somebody is going to eat your chips and chicken,
oba kisoboka mubuuze
if possible, ask them,
nti kati omuliira ku ddiiru ki
you're eating my chips on what deal?
bwakasaba chipusi emirundi ebiri
If they ask you for chips twice,
mukuwangaani nze nkuzaala
I'm giving you my chips. Am I your mother?
esimu eya fooni imanye eya simaati nga tegulika
The smartphone is expensive.
mugeesebo ng'ogenda okuwa efooni
I'm going to give you my phone.
njagala kumanya nkuyita
I
ntya
want to know what is my relationship with you.
ate bwe kiba kisoboka oba tonnabimuwa
If possible, before you give,
bw'aba n'okulyako chipusi wa mulundi gumu
if they eat chips once,
ng'omulaba bulaza afuuse dentist
you see the brother is becoming a detoother.
bulaza mukuuzi
He's a detoother.
mugere kati nga sinakwongera chipusi
So before I add your more chips,
tugende wa pasita
let's go to-
pasita omubuulire
tell the pastor,
nkolagana kyeri wakati wange naawe
what is my relationship with you?
nyonnyola pasita
Explain to the pastor.
ebintu byondyako obindyako ku ddiiru ki
My things you're chewing, on what deal? What are we up to? Amukwata mtwale wa pastor.
Eh?
Amukwata mtwale wa pastor.
mutwale wa pasita
Take them to the pastor.
abantu omu bayaaye
Some people are crooks.
babulanza abamu balabaawo bayaaye
You see some brothers there, but they are not born again.
baagaana okukola
They refuse to work.
balya buli bintu by'abaana baffe
They just chew our daughter's things.
abo moddolo eyo balangirireko faaya
Such a type declare fire.